This is my Shimano XT M8000, but the problem is doesn't have a clamp. The normal option is to change the casing, which is this one, and then you need to buy the cover. And for illustration, you can see the casing highlighted in green, and at the top is the cover. Another option is to improvise, and this is what I did. You will need a M5 screw around about 3 centimeter long, and this one. Normally, this is only for SRAM group set, and you will need a glue gun. So first, insert the screw into the clamp, and then fill the little space with the glue. And wait that it gets hard, and then trim and reshape the hardened glue into a nice surface. When done, then put them together using the M5 screw. But make sure that there's no space in between the trigger shifter and the clamp. That is the purpose of this hardened glue.